how do we put someone else in the picture when you're using a Canva template? Obviously, when we're creating something for social media or whatever, we really don't want this person here, which isn't me, to be in the image. So what do we do? It's actually pretty simple. First thing is click on the person and just delete them. Okay, you can press delete on your keyboard, whatever you want, all works. The second thing is we need to choose a photo from our uploaded photos or from our Google photo library. So I'm just going to take this one of me in fire uniform, and it's very, very simple. If you look up the top here, it says edit photo, click on that, click background remover. Now, obviously this is only a head and shoulders shot. If I wanted a full size one of me standing or something like that, I could do it as well. What I like to do once it's removed the background is actually grab the handle here and just drag it in to tidy this up a bit. Put it in the corner so the little lines are touching the edge, and then drag it out to fit the shot. Very simple. So there you go. I'm now replaced myself from the other image, and I can now edit these and put whatever I want in here. Pretty simple, isn't it? Anyone can do this. It's very easy to replace a single image of a person in an ad with a picture of yourself if you use the background remover. As I said, very simple. Click on the picture, go to edit photo, choose background remover, and away you go. Now, if you need to make any changes, if you click there, you can choose your brush and you can actually wipe out any extra bits. So there's a bit there, for example. If I just click there and just tidy that up a bit, and what's this bit over here? No one knows what that is, so we'll just carefully click our mouse button down and just rub up and down carefully as if we were using an eraser. And we're done. That's all we need to do. Click back and the photo will just update itself, and away you go. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial.